Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to log in and reset your Ning account password. Sometimes you might forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Ning account password, first click on browser. Go to ning.com, ning.com. Click on login shown on the top right side of your screen. Enter your email and password. After typing your email and password, click on sign in. You can also connect with your Google, Facebook and LinkedIn account. To connect with your Google, click on Google. To connect with your Facebook, click on Facebook. To connect with your LinkedIn account, click on LinkedIn and follow the instruction. To reset your password, click on forgot your password. Enter your email. Click on submit. LinkedIn has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on the email. Click on the link. Create your new password. Your new password should be minimum 6 characters. Combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers and symbols. Retype your new password. Click on submit. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.